Ready?
Wherever you are.
Okay. Well, friends, today we're going to talk about a topic that nobody really likes to talk about a lot, but we must, and that's drugs. The possession of drugs, of course, sale, serious problems. And you normally think about drugs as being something that's been smuggled into the country, or cocaine, something that's absolutely illegal. But drugs also include what's over the counter. For DWIs, if it affects you in a way that causes you not to be able to control your normal functions, it's illegal. So keep in mind that if it causes you to have an accident, and they can, you need to be aware of it, and you will have problems later on with having been intoxicated. Now, it's different than taking illegal drugs. The penalties are potentially huge. Depends upon your status. If you happen not to be a citizen, anything besides a small quantity of marijuana can wind up with you barred for life. If you're a permanent resident, you will have one opportunity potentially to show that you shouldn't lose your status. But that status is so important, and it's the key to your ever becoming a citizen. If you lose it because of drugs, the likelihood is you'll never be able to get it back. And again, the likelihood is that at some point you'll be deported. You have no way to get back into the country legally. So, number one, stay away from them at all costs. If you do happen to be caught and you're charged with it, remember that if you plead guilty to that, take a deferred adjudication, anything other than have it dismissed or do some kind of a diversion program, you will face these horrible penalties. So the minute that something like that happens, get with your attorney, have your family get with the attorney, but don't ignore it, and don't just try to do it on your own, and don't take a court-appointed attorney, because in most cases they don't know what to do. This is complex and not the normal situation in a criminal case. Now, for those of you who are citizens, obviously you won't face this problem. Once you're a citizen, you don't lose your status. But the penalties can be severe. There are ways that you can avoid convictions. There are ways that if you had a conviction, that we can get rid of the effects of those convictions. I suggest in all cases, if you have a problem, just consult with an attorney to see what your rights are, and then see whether there's something that can be done to either get rid of the problem or after the fact to get rid of the penalty. So come in and talk to us. We have been doing this now for over 50 years. It's a long time with a lot of experience. We've seen just about everything. However, your situation is unique. All are unique. And we need to look at it to see whether we might be able to do something to help you. It's been a pleasure being with you, and look forward to the next time talking about another topic.